Hi, I'm going to make a video on my Suzuki GSXR 750. It's 2017. I'm going to do the oil change. I'm going to show you how to remove the left fairing. So let's do it. We're gonna need some, a 4mm Allen and a 5 to start. So right here you have 5 already loosened, so save it some time. Woo. Okay, and after that you got one here. Alright, another thing, you got on the bottom right here, you got that one. Okay, you gotta, let me show you. See, you got push here with a screwdriver flat right there. So go like this and come easy. Okay, that one go here. After remove that one, you got 2 more. One go here and one right here. These 2, let me show you, are one of these. You're gonna show like that, so you gotta push in the middle so get loose. Push inside, sometimes this come out, some not. So push inside and this right come off. Okay, and you have that one, same procedure, just smaller. See, the big one on the front, this one on the back. On these 2 I show you, and after that you got 2 more 4mm Allen. So pretty much it's out. So remember, it's 2-4, 2-5, 2 plastic clips and 1 on the bottom. That's it. And after that you pushing up. See, that's the top you have here, and you got another one right there. This one you have to pull down. See, pull down and come out. Okay, and you have another tab here with a pin. You go into the rubber. So what you gonna do, see, it doesn't come out. I need to do it with 2 hands, pushing this one and this one forward to you, wobbling a little bit, and this come out. Okay, so that's the top. One there and one there in the corner, and this one where you have to pull up. put forward to you. Okay. And you can see the filter and the drain plug. Okay, with 17, we'll put that one. Doesn't look too bad. I replace it every 3,000 miles because I don't have 3,000 miles. And after that, remove the filter. This pan, I get it for the Harbor Freight. It's cheap, I like it because you can put the filter right there. That's pan. That's very cool. Okay. Let it drain, a couple minutes, so it's still dipping until oil come out. I'm going to use the Suzuki OEM filter. Alright, that's the part number. $16,510 707J00 Suzuki, made in Japan. Checking my discharge. So put a little oil on the O-ring. And let's put it on. So run is clean. Tie by hand, the more you can. No, put it back. Drain. See, you got a magnet right there. Let's clean it up a little bit before putting on. So now it's clean, you can see. So now let's put it on. See, dripping, but it's minimum. I use the ratchet on 17 to do it. So right there, tie by hand. Okay, after tie the drain plug, remove the cap here on the clutch area. I'll put the oil. Don't forget. I use the Motul 7100, so 1040.